Wow, the lamb pieces are so juicy and succulent. Awesome taste. You guys are going to love this. On your stove to medium heat and place a saucepan on it. Add in about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add in 1 teaspoon salt. Stir and mix the salt with the oil. When the oil is hot, we will stir in the whole spices mix. Mix in the crushed garlic cloves and we shall stir in 1 red medium chopped onion. Let us now mix all this together evenly. Throw in 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Do throw in the twigs too. They too add in flavor. Let's give all of this a very good mix. We shall now chop 1 medium ripe tomato and add it in. Stir in the tomato pieces. Cook covered for 1 to 2 minutes. By now, all the tomatoes, the pieces of tomatoes should have been cooked and should be soft enough so that the skins can be peeled and taken off. Let us remove the skin from the tomato pieces. Use a spatula to mash up the already cooked tomato pieces. Let's stir in the powdered spice mix. Let's stir in 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. Add in the chopped lamb strips with the deboned bones. Stir in and mix well. Add in 3 cups of water. Simmer covered on medium heat for about 45 minutes. Stir and mix evenly once or twice during the duration of the 45 minutes. Once the 45 minutes is up, the lamb strips should be at least 3/4 cooked. Throw in 3 medium-sized potatoes, peeled, cleaned and cut into quarters. Stir in the potato pieces. Pour in half cup of thick coconut cream diluted with half cup of water. After adding 2 more cups of water, stir and mix it in. Cover and simmer for another 30 minutes. After about 15 minutes, open, mix evenly and close back again. The 30 minutes is up and our lamb strips and potato pieces are already cooked to our desired perfection. Our lamb potato stew is ready to be served now. Let's go on and plate it. Garnish with some thick coconut cream and thinly sliced ginger.